Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nisha this side. Today is 20th Feb, which is the last day of Feb, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on like what's going on. So I was thinking to post a video about a month in my life in Mumbai, and I have a bunch of videos, like legit a bunch of videos. But then I just thought that that content has become a little old, and yeah, so I just thought, okay, let me not do that, rather like shoot something new and then give you an update. So if you remember, when we started this year, there were certain things, certain habits and routines that I was focusing on building. So I'm going to give you an update on like what's going on with that. I will give you a little breakdown of like how January has been in that terms and how February has been in that term. Okay, before we do that, I just want to express one thing, which is कि पहले मेरे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, दैट आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग इनफ टाइम टू कंटेंट. तो मेरे पास कंटेंट की कमी थी. बट अब मेरे पास ये हो रहा है कि मेरे पास कंटेंट बहुत सारा है. आई लेजिट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस दैट आई वांट टू पोस्ट, बट अब मेरा पोस्टिंग टाइम कम है. मतलब मैं हफ्ते में एक बार पोस्ट कर रही हूँ, तो आई फील लाइक कि वो कंटेंट पुराना हो जा रहा है. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई एम जगलिंग विद दिस अ लिटिल बिट. मैं ये भी कंसिडर कर रही हूँ दैट शैल आई पोस्ट लाइक दो तीन दिन में एक बार शैल आई पोस्ट एंड नॉट डू इट लाइक वंस अ वीक, सो दैट मेरे पास जितना भी कंटेंट है मैं उसको पोस्ट कर पाऊँ. लेट्स सी, यू कैन ऑल्सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, हेल्प मी विद दिस अ लिटिल. Okay, so I'll start with there were seven to eight habits. So let's start with journaling first. I was planning to journal every single day, and I am extremely proud of myself for being able to pull that off. आज की एंट्री अभी मैंने नहीं की है, but these are the total number of days that I have for what I have journaled so far. I have not missed any day. I have matlab January, February, all the days I have journaled every single day, and I'm really really proud of that. The ways of journaling has been a little different. Like I keep experimenting a little. Beach mein there were days when I was writing down some things that I'm really grateful for. But then now I have started like saying those things in present tense out loud in the morning and not writing it down. So these are the things that I just keep experimenting a little here and there. But apart from that, I have journaled every single day for January and February. So yes, that's a tick. Second one was enjoying and really experiencing the moment that I have been able to do that. Yeah, I'm really proud of that one. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब से मैंने थोड़ा अपना शेड्यूल ठीक किया है, I am not necessarily thinking about the other things like the mess in my house or somewhere else. I'm pretty organized that way, so I'm able to experience and enjoy the moments as they are. I'm really being able to being in the present, in the moment. So yeah, that is another tick I would say. Having routines like skincare and hair care. If I talk about my skincare routine, it is going amazing. I am enjoying my skincare routine, morning and like nighttime routine, like so much. I have did routines before, but I don't think I ever enjoyed it much the way I do now. I have been really enjoying taking care of my hair as well, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है over time my hair has started feeling a lot better. Hair care routine में I'm still like there are days when कभी कभी skip हो जाता है because there are days when I skip like hair care days. बट उसके बावजूद लाइक मैं जितना भी आई वुड से 80% हेयर केयर आई एम एबल टू डू. स्किन केयर 100% ऑफ इट. नॉट बिन अ सिंगल डे जहाँ पे मैंने अपना मेकअप साफ करके अपना नाइट टाइम रूटीन करके मैं नहीं सोई. हाउ एवर मच आई एम टायर्ड, आई हैव मेड श्योर दैट आई डू माई स्किन केयर वेल, एंड आई हैव एडेड अ फ्यू मोर थिंग्स हियर एंड देयर इन माई स्किन केयर रूटीन, एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली thoroughly enjoying it. So another tick. Cook at least 2 meals at home. I would say that I've been able to pull it off like 85%. बीच में थोड़ा मतलब मेसी chaotic हो गया था, but yeah, 80% is still I think good, but we can do a little better. So yeah, I think there's scope for improvement here for sure. एंड इसका ना मेन रीज़न ये होता है बर्तन, माँ कसम, लाइक मैं खाना पकाने में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट वो बर्तन साफ़ करने में हाय हाय मुझे नानी याद आ जाती है मेरी. सो अगर बर्तन साफ़ नहीं होते ना तो दैट इज़ द मोमेंट व्हेन आई फील लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट. बट येस, there's still scope of improvement. We'll work on this. Do household chores on a daily basis. I am able to keep my house clean. True, I am able to mostly have my stuff at the right place. मेरा ज़्यादातर मामला यही गड़बड़ होता है. It's not that my house is not clean. It's mostly like मैंने सामान जगह पर नहीं रखा है. And since it's a small house, आप चप्पल भी इधर से उधर कर दो ना तो ऐसा लगता है घर गंदा हो गया. So yeah, I'm able to keep my things at places. Like even if you look here, if you look at my table, I'm just gonna like see everything is properly placed. So that is happening. I think one thing which is I'm थोड़ा सा जिसमें मुझे थोड़ा improvement की ज़रूरत है is कपड़े ढंग से टाइम पे साफ़ नहीं हो पाते हैं मेरे. और उसका मेन रीज़न एक्चुअली ये है कि बिकॉज इट्स अ स्मॉल प्लेस. और मुंबई में इन केस यू डोंट नो देयर इज़ नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बालकनीज एज सच. इवन मतलब अगर आप बहुत ही रिच हो तभी आपके पास बालकनी होती है, बाकी मुंबई में आपके पास बालकनी नहीं होती है. तो कपड़े सुखाने का बहुत त्रास है. तो मेरे पास कपड़े सुखाने के लिए बहुत सारे रखे हैं, बट मतलब कपड़े धोने के लिए बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं, बट उनको सुखाने के लिए उतनी जगह नहीं है, काफ़ी लिमिटेड स्पेस है. तो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रिएट्स अ लिटिल रकस, बट आई विल फिगर दैट आउट. Get and keep things that I only need. I would say I slipped a bit here, and that January was great about it. February mein I slipped a little, not a lot, a little. I must have bought a lot of makeup and skincare stuff. Not a lot, but a bit. I think I invested a lot into my makeup brushes and keeping those brushes clean. I'm also able to enjoy my makeup. I thoroughly enjoy doing my makeup, but I'm able to do it because I like my skin is looking great. Makeup looks great on me. जब आपका स्किन अच्छा होता है you enjoy doing makeup a lot as well. And then that also requires you to have like clean tools. तो मेरे जितने भी मेकअप ब्रशेज़ हैं I clean them on an everyday basis. I have bought this instant brush cleaner from PAC and I kid you not, it's amazing. It's the best thing. It's really the best thing. So yes, makeup is somewhere that I have invested a little, and उसमें भी makeup brushes is where I have invested a lot this month. Not very too much. All my brushes are under like $300, but उसमें भी मैंने फिर मतलब 8-10 खरीद लिए. So yeah, I think this is where I slipped a little, but we can work on this still. Wake up at 6 a.m. I am missing this one like big time. 6 a.m. तो भूल ही जाओ. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है टाइम ही it's too ambitious I have been. 7:30 is what my expectation should be. January was the month when I was able to wake up. At most of the days I woke up at 7:30 a.m. But February I missed a lot. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है why because my house was getting a little messy, not a lot, little messy. तो जैसे ही वो शुरू हो जाता है ना, then your schedule becomes like you start being a little lazy. So February was, I would say, was not great in this terms, like waking up early. I was still able to do all my work. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं काम नहीं कर पा रही थी, मेरे पास schedule नहीं था. It was there, but I slipped a little. So yeah, this is कल से मार्च शुरू हो रहा है and it's a fresh start again. We'll like whatever we have done so far, this is the time that we are reflecting, and yes, we'll hope that March goes really well and let's work on these things. Prepare for the next day one night before. Missed big time in Feb. January was great. Actually January में मैंने सारे दिन prep किया for the next day. February में I missed this mostly again because of I missed most of my outfits. मतलब most preparation outfit के लिए लगता है, and as I told you it's like a domino effect. अब क्योंकि कपड़े टाइम पे नहीं धुल पा रहे हैं, then you can't like prepare for a little domino effect that happened. And also मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही थी कि जनवरी में I was able to pull it off. How about if I prep for the next entire week in the weekends? But वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है थोड़ा, it's not that it's impossible, but if I do it so tight, then the possibility of me able to change a few things last minute वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. तो उसकी वजह से I'm gonna go back to like prepping every single day. So I was able to pull it off in Jan. Feb was a big miss actually, and we're starting fresh. I'm gonna work on this. So this is about the habits. A few little other things that I was focusing on, which is that January mein I was trying to really work on my portfolio. I was really ambitious in the start, and मेरे दिमाग में 4 से 5 case studies थी that I really wanted to put in my portfolio, and also I wanted to create a new one. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है with all the stuff that I do, content creation and all these things, बहुत difficult हो गया था. So I sort of changed the plan, and मेरे पास एक पुराना portfolio पड़ा हुआ था. So I thought that let me start from one case study only and append it to my last portfolio, because I think that was really, my last portfolio was good, recruiter friendly I would say. So I have been able to do that. 22nd Feb was the day. मैंने प्लान किया था कि by 20th Feb I'll complete this, make sure that I'll put one case study in my portfolio. But 20th Feb was a working day, so of course I missed that. 22nd was Sunday, so 22nd Feb was the day when I completed that. So that one is I'm extremely happy about. वो बहुत ही बड़ा burden हो गया था. So yes, and moving on forwards, I will make sure that जैसे ही मेरा कोई project ख़त्म होता है, it has to go in my portfolio irrespective of if it is worthy showing or not. Because you know, remembering all the limitations and thoughts and everything becomes a task. It's very difficult. Even though आपने ज़माने भर का documentation किया हो, उसके बावजूद काफ़ी difficult हो जाता है. So yes, this is what, like one thing that I'm gonna make sure that I keep doing this now on forwards. एक नया case study है, नया project है that we have worked on, and मैंने already उसका documentation कर लिया है, as in rough documentation पूरा कर लिया है. I just have to make sure that I put it in my portfolio. Although I'm thinking कि because वो live नहीं गया है, it will go live कुछ time बाद, so I don't have any metrics or data to show about the case study there. So I'll just keep it in the draft, and the day when I have the numbers, irrespective of however the numbers are, that day I'll make it part of the portfolio. So yes, Framer has that capability for you where you can keep the pages, but keep it in the draft unless you are ready to like make it publish it. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Rest I think it has been great. I have been, oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, I also got my first PR package with only 168 followers on my Instagram, which is I think a great achievement for me. It's a start, so I'm really happy about that. Maybe I'll share about it a little more in my next video. So yes, I think this is it for this video. These are all the things, these are all the updates about me, things that I've been doing, things that I'm planning, and we are starting fresh again. And don't forget to let me know about like how should I be posting, or what is the type of content that you would love to see. I have a lot of content, a lot of the things that I do, like I don't think that my days are mundane or boring, but yeah, I'm just struggling a bit here. So if you can just help me out, so comment if you have any ideas or any suggestion, any advice for me. So yes, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.